Hi guys, today I want to show you this beautiful 3D slip stitch tweed. Look at this, this is so beautiful. Okay, it's not a color work, so it's much easier. Okay, and I was thinking maybe you can use for the rib for your sweater. So let's get started. Cast on, you need multiple of 3. I made 24 plus 6, total of 30. Because of the for the edge, I'm gonna do the garter stitch. So the pattern is for within those 2 markers, 24, which is multiple of 3. And I already made the cast on and garter stitch for few rows. Okay, so that's not include the pattern. Okay, again, the first and last 3 stitches are just a garter stitch for frame. The pattern is right here, what's in the marker. Row number 1 and row number 2 with main color, which is bluish color for me. 1 on right side or knit, 2 wrong side or purl. That's it. And row number 3, right sides with contrast color. Okay, I use yellowish color like that. And first stitch will be knit, and then keep the working yarn at the back and slip 1 stitch purlwise, and then repeat of knit 2, and YB means yarn back, slip 1 purlwise. Repeat of knit 2, yarn back, slip 1 purlwise, knit 2, yarn back, slip 1 purlwise. That's it until one last stitch. Knit 2, slip 1 purlwise, knit 2, slip 1 purlwise. That's it. And the last 1 stitch will be knit 1. That's it. And after the marker, just a regular garter stitch. And row number 4, wrong side, still with contrast color. Okay, so the row number 1 and 2 main color, and row number 3 and 4 is contrast color. So knit 1 to start and repeat of yarn front. Okay, this was the slip stitch, that's why it's blue, right? So yarn front, and then slip that blue yarn again purlwise, then yarn back and knit 2. That's it. So once you see the slip stitch, different color, yarn front, slip 1 purlwise, and then knit 2. The yellow, yarn, just knit. Okay, and slip stitch, slip again, and then yarn back and knit 2. That's it. So repeat of yarn front, slip 1 purlwise, and knit 2. That's it. And you keep repeating until last 2 stitch, and last 2 stitch is easy. Okay, slip, knit 2, and here comes last 2 stitch. Okay, yarn front, slip 1 purlwise, and yarn back and knit 1. That's it. And you just have to repeat row number 1 and row number 4. Row number 1 to row number 4 until your desired length. That's it. This is just the first 4 rows, right? So you can't really see what's going on, but okay, it's it's okay. You can see, okay? But I am going to repeat few more rows so you can see better, right? And whenever you want to finish it, I prefer finish row number 2. Okay, so I repeat 5 times and then add row number 1 and row number 2. That's it. Okay, so as you can see, it's beautiful 3D like, tweed stitch. I think this is wonderful design for sweater or scarf or even bag, purse, anything. Okay, and I include the written pattern for the round knitting, so check my description box. Bye for now.